jamun, jambul, Indian blueberry or Java plum. It is an evergreen tropical tree native to Indian subcontinent, and the fruit of this jamun tree, which looks like black grapes, is known for its many health benefits. It is rich in iron and vitamin C. It supplies high amount of hemoglobin, and so it purifies the blood, resulting in a healthy and glowing skin. It is extremely useful in treating diabetes, digestive and cardiovascular disorders, hypertension, stroke, to name a few. It also makes gums healthy and prevents bad breath. If you can find jamuns in this season, do try out jamun sarbat, especially if eating the fruit doesn't agree with you. Jamun sarbat is very easy to make. Watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will know as soon as I upload a new video. So, for jamun sarbat, we use ripe, fresh jamuns. Wash them nicely with salt water. I have taken 3 cups of jamuns in a steel vessel. Add enough water to cover them. Keep them on the fire and boil them for 5 minutes. Pour out any excess water and mash them lightly with a wooden spoon. Allow it to cool completely and mash the jamuns completely with your hands. I have used gloves while mashing the jamuns, but you could use bare hands too. Please do not throw the seeds. Dry them in the sun and powder them. This powder is very useful medicine for diabetes. Put this pulp in a mixie jar to make a smooth paste. See the paste? The color of it is so refreshing. Remove the paste in a bowl. Now, in a thick bottom pan, take 3 cups of sugar and add just enough water to cover the sugar. Here I have used the water drained off after boiling the jamuns. That's why the color is purple. But you could use normal water too. I didn't want to waste all those nutrients, you see. Heat it on high and then medium-high flame till all the sugar melts. Add the juice of 1 lemon to it and stir. This lemon juice helps in removing this slag. It also prevents crystallization of the syrup. Continue to heat to 1 thread consistency, like this. You see, if you take the syrup between your thumb and the index finger and you touch the fingers and separate them, you should be able to see 1 thread. This is called as a 1 thread consistency. Add a little salt to enhance the taste. Put the fire off now. Can you see this slag? This is called the slag. We have to remove this nicely. Let the syrup cool completely. And now gently pour it in the jamun pulp. Stir well. This is your jamun sarbat concentrate. When you want jamun sarbat, take enough concentrate in a glass and just pour chilled water or normal water and stir. And your delicious jamun sarbat is ready to be served. Enjoy. If you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe to this channel. And also do comment in the comment box below to let me know how it came out when you made it. Thank you for your precious time. God bless.